Hello again, it's Dr. Sister
and Chantel, and today we're going to do the faux goddess lock hairstyle.
This is my hair after shampooing and blow drying. These are the items you will need for this style.
The soft twist Marley hair comes with 2 bundles and 1 pack, and we used about 3 bundles for this style and 1 pack of the free tressed hair for the curl at the end. So if you see here, we're about almost done. We have about 3 left. So I am putting the crochet needle through the box at the base of her braid, and I am taking 1 piece of the free tressed hair and 1 piece of the Marley hair, and I'm just sticking that through the crochet needle. And then I'm going to pull that through the hair if I can get it together with my nails. So I'm pulling it all the way through, and then you're going to see that I'm pulling one side so that there's 1 piece of hair of each on either side. And then I'm taking the Marley hair and I'm fluffing it through so that this can help with the texture of the hair. When you fluff it, it also helps you cover your natural hair better so that the 2 pieces of Marley hair can kind of stick together. And this hair was pretty soft, so it wasn't too kinky, and I know that Tiffany, Dr. Sister, liked that as well. So now you see me wrapping the hair around, and I'm doing it pretty taut around the base because I want it to stay. And there's no fear that it will slip off because, again, it is crocheted underneath her braid, underneath her natural hair. And I'm just twisting it around, twisting, and you kind of get the idea. You'll see me kind of push it up like that so that I make sure all of her natural hair is not being seen and is well hidden through the braid, through the lock rather.
So these are the goddess faux locks the next morning. Whoo! Beautiful. I love them so much. You can wear them down. You can flip them around. Wear them to the front. Do a ponytail. Do the nice knot bun at the top. Anything you want. Again, it is your world, girl. This has been another Tutorial Tuesday with Dr. Sister. Please subscribe below.
And this is Chantel. Thank you so much for watching.
Later!